Hi guys, it's finally here. iPhone 12 has been officially released in the Philippines today, December 18, 2020, and I got my pre-order from Power Mac. Let's see what's inside. I've got two boxes here. The first one is the iPhone box. As you can see, it is so thin. Since they did not include any power adapter this year to help save the environment, what I got here is the iPhone 12 Pro Max 256GB Pacific Blue version. And the second box is the USB-C 20 watts power adapter sold separately. This is compatible with iPhone 12 fast charging, and it can quickly charge from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. Let's start unboxing this beauty. Okay, so let's check what's inside the box. So we have some Apple logos here, some manual, and the SIM ejector, and as I mentioned, there's no power adapter, only USB-C to lightning cable. Okay, and this is the phone. Okay, so it's really huge. It has 6.7 inches of screen size. It also has a glossy stainless steel sides, and it's really a fingerprint magnet here, and it has no 3.5mm headphone jack, and they went back from old design with flat sides and rectangular chassis. Let me just set this up. Okay, so I just finished setting up a new iPhone, and the screen really looks amazing. So as I mentioned, it has 6.7 inches Super Retina XDR OLED display. It is also protected by Gorilla Glass scratch resistant ceramic glass. It has also 458 ppi. It's IP68 water and dust resistant, up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. 5G is also available if the network supports it. It has the latest A14 Bionic CPU. Apple is also now using 5nm chip, and the GPU is integrated in this chip. For the RAM, this is the highest RAM in all iPhone lineup. It has 6GB of RAM. For the battery, it has 3687 milliamperes of battery. And for the camera, this has the best camera system of all iPhone 12 lineup. Its wide camera has censorship optical image stabilization and larger sensor for better low light photography. All of the three cameras, including the camera at the front, are all 12 megapixels. It also has a LiDAR scanner used for AR. I'm going to do a camera test and full review of this unit. So see you on the next one.